Data shows that only 18% of women experience orgasm from intercourse alone. For the remaining 82%, the standard approach leaves them reaching for something more. If you feel unfulfilled during intercourse, your body is functioning correctly. The mismatch comes from the physical technique used, which often ignores how the female body is actually built. While focus is placed on the small external point, the true pleasure center is a large, wishbone-shaped structure surrounding the vaginal canal. Standard thrusting passes straight through the center, entirely bypassing this vast internal pleasure structure. We can fix this by moving away from standard thrusting and adopting a 5-step mechanical blueprint designed for connection. Typical sex feels unfulfilling because it relies on movements that do not align with internal anatomy. To reach a different result, we need a complete mechanical overhaul. The first step begins before any physical contact. You and your partner must communicate clearly that the goal is a synchronized, coordinated movement rather than individual performance. Step 2 involves the physical setup. Placing a pillow under the hips creates a slight pelvic elevation, a necessary adjustment for better contact. This upward tilt exposes the external pleasure center, making it easier to maintain contact throughout the movement. Proactive communication and correct pelvic geometry provide the foundation that allows physical techniques to be effective. Step 3 is the shift in motion. Instead of pulling back, you must stay fully inserted and maintain constant contact as a single unified unit. We replace standard thrusting with the rock. This is a coordinated grinding or circular motion where both bodies move together in a synchronized rhythm. These side-by-side models show the difference. The model on the left uses a traditional vector, breaking contact with every stroke. The model on the right uses circular arrows, generating continuous friction. Couples often try to solve a lack of pleasure by moving faster or longer, but the friction zone on the right shows the solution is consistency of contact, not speed. Studies of thousands of women confirm that this specific shift in motion leads to more frequent and satisfying outcomes. Continuous contact provides the physical stimulation required for climax, which speed and endurance alone cannot replicate. Step 4 is the coital alignment technique, or CAT. This is the optimized version of the rocking movement, typically used in a modified missionary position. The primary adjustment for CAT is body weight. The penetrating partner shifts significantly higher up on the receiving partner's body. By shifting higher, the base provides heavy, continuous pressure directly against the clitoris while the bodies rock together. Step 5 is pairing. This technique ensures that stimulation remains high even if the physical rhythm of the bodies changes. Pairing is the intentional use of hands or toys to add external stimulation while rocking. 70% of women already use this method to achieve better results. Combining this upward bodily alignment with constant external pairing provides the comprehensive stimulation required to reach climax more consistently. Success in the bedroom can be summarized by this formula: stimulation plus rhythm plus connection. Great intimacy does not require athletic performance. It requires a clear understanding of these basic body mechanics. For women, knowing that your body is built for pleasure and that the technique was the missing piece is the final step in letting go of performance pressure. By applying these 5 steps, you are already ahead of most people who continue to struggle with outdated habits. Stop the habit of thrusting. Focus entirely on physical connection and rhythm, and feel the difference these mechanical